this quick video, we'll show a FortiWeb step-by-step configuration on how to create content routing policies to direct traffic and enforce security based on the content of the request. For multiple applications within the same domain hosted on separate physical servers, FortiWeb can route traffic and apply different security policies based on the content of the requests. For example, based on the request method. If it's a POST request, forward to server A. If it's a GET request, forward to server B. Traffic forwarding can be configured according to the URL, parameters, headers, cookies, method, and more. In this scenario, the customer has 3 physical servers and plan to implement distinct forwarding rules based on the HTTP request URL. First step is to create different server pools. Navigate to Server Objects, Server, and Server Pool. Select the server pool and edit the IP/domain and external connectors. Once configuration, please click OK to save. Next step is to create HTTP content routing policies and rules. Navigate to Server Objects, Server, HTTP Content Routing, and edit the HTTP content policy. Edit the policy and select the server pool, and edit the content routing policy. Click OK to save. The next step is to create a server policy and refer the HTTP content routing policy within it. Edit the server policy and set the deployment mode to HTTP content policy. Then configure the HTTP content policy by editing it and adding new policies as needed. For detailed instructions on these configurations, please refer to the video below. To verify that requests aligning with the specific content routing policy are routed to the designated physical server, use the following commands below. If the CR1 match, then it would forward the request to server 22. If the CR2 match, then it would forward the request to server 23. If CR1 or CR2 does not match, the request will be forwarded to the server with the IP address 24.